Working on your car in the dark is frustrating. You're juggling a flashlight, trying to see what you're doing, and still missing that one bolt hiding in the shadows. The right work light changes everything. It frees up your hands, illuminates every corner of your engine bay, and makes repairs actually enjoyable instead of a battle against poor visibility. Today, we're breaking down the 5 best work lights that mechanics and DIY car enthusiasts are loving in 2026. Links to all these products are in the description box below, so you can grab them easily. Let's get started. Number 1. Coquimbo Rechargeable LED Work Light. Okay, first up, we've got the Coquimbo 2-pack Rechargeable LED Work Light. And man, if you're hunting for serious value, this is your starting point, no doubt. You're getting 2 lights for what most brands charge for just 1. That's a pretty sweet deal. So you can light up multiple spots at once or keep a backup in your toolbox, which, let's face it, always comes in clutch. So what makes this bad boy stand out? The 360-degree rotation is buttery smooth and actually stays put where you position it. The magnetic base, strong enough to grip the underside of your hood without sliding around, and that hanging hook gives you options when you're dealing with aluminum or plastic parts. It's rechargeable too, so you're not constantly dropping cash on batteries. Plus, it's compact enough to squeeze into tight spots, under the dash, cramped engine bays, you name it. Here's what folks are really loving about this thing. It's crazy portable. Toss one in your glove box for those oh crap roadside moments. Keep the other in the garage. Works awesome for stuff beyond cars too, like grilling out or camping trips. Now here's the deal though. While it's bright enough for most jobs, if you're doing super detailed work on dark components like black intake manifolds or whatever, you might want something pushing more lumens. But for your typical car maintenance, oil changes, brake jobs, most repairs, this thing delivers exactly what you need. Check the link in the description. This 2-pack is honestly a no-brainer for anyone who wrenches on cars regularly. Alright, number 2, the Ruboliy 2-pack work light. And this is where build quality meets serious muscle. That all-aluminum construction, not just for show, guys. We're talking durability and legit heat dissipation. When you're running a light for hours straight, those cheaper plastic ones get all warm and nasty to handle. This baby stays cool as a cucumber. At 1500 lumens, you're getting pro-level brightness here, like the kind of output that makes your engine bay look like it's broad daylight. You can see every single bolt, every connector, every little detail crystal clear. And those 7 lighting modes? Total control, dude. Crank it bright for major work, dial it down for inspections, and everything in between to save juice when you don't need full blast. 360 rotation, killer magnetic base. You can stick this thing anywhere. Slap it on your car's frame when you're underneath, clip it to the hood latch, hang it from a hook, whatever. And that magnet is seriously beefy. Won't slip even when you accidentally knock into it. Here's the trade-off though. That aluminum body makes it a tad heavier than plastic models. It's not a deal breaker or anything, but if you're holding it for like an extended period, yeah, you'll feel that extra weight. But honestly, that weight means quality construction that's going to last you years, not months. This is the sweet spot between premium performance and not breaking the bank. Links chillin' in the description. Number 3, we've got the SYLSTAR work light. It's actually 2 separate lights that can work on their own or snap together for maximum brightness. That modularity is straight up genius. Use them separately to light up different areas or combine them when you need serious firepower. 2400 lumens when they're connected, pretty darn impressive. That's enough light to do precision work, read part numbers, see into deep recesses. But what really sets this apart are those 3 brightness levels plus a red light flash mode. That red flash, perfect for roadside emergencies when you got a signal for help or warn other drivers you're broken down on the shoulder. Smart safety feature. The Type-C charging is quick and convenient, just like juicing up your phone, so no hunting for weird proprietary chargers. And those battery indicators let you know exactly how much power you're packing with 4 LED lights showing charge level. No surprises when the light dies halfway through a job. Magnetic and hook design with 360 rotation means you can slap these anywhere. Magnets are at both ends, so whether you're sticking it to a hood, frame rail, or lift point, it holds tight. That ultra-thin design with rubber bumpers means it can take a beating in a real-world garage environment. Drops, bangs, getting covered in oil, whatever. It's built tough enough to handle it. One heads up though, since it's two separate pieces, you gotta keep track of both parts. If you're the kind of person who loses 10mm sockets like they're going out of style, you might prefer a single unit deal. But honestly, the versatility this dual system gives you is totally worth that tiny inconvenience. Just designate a spot in your toolbox. Full details and the buy link are hanging out down in the description box.
Number 4, the FIBRAVE LED work light. Designed specifically with us grease monkeys in mind. Those 5 lighting modes cover everything from full blast floodlight to a focused inspection beam, and that focused beam, super clutch when you're trying to peer into tight spaces or trace some janky wiring harness. 360-degree rotation is smooth like butter, and it locks right in once you've nailed the angle. Magnetic base is strong as heck, and that built-in hook means you've got mounting options for literally any situation. Rechargeable battery saves you money long-term, and the compact size means it fits where those bigger, bulkier lights just can't go. What makes this particularly awesome is that inspection flashlight mode. Sometimes you don't need to flood the whole area with light, right? You need a tight, focused beam to follow a specific vacuum line, check a sketchy electrical connection, or read a sensor part number. This gives you both options in one tool. Flood when you need it, spot when you need it. Pretty sweet versatility. Here's the thing though. It's sold individually, not in a pack. So if you want multiple lights for bigger jobs, like a full suspension overhaul or something, you'll need to buy several units. But for someone who wants one really solid, well-thought-out light, this absolutely nails it. As always, the link's waiting for you in the description. And rounding out our list at number 5, the VICOODA 4-pack work light. And guys, this is the ultimate value play here. 4 rechargeable work lights means you can set up legit lighting around your entire vehicle. Front-end work, rear suspension, interior stuff, and one hanging on your actual workbench. Boom, all covered at once. Each light rocks 5 modes and 360-degree rotation, magnetic base, hanging hook, all the standard goodies. But having 4 of these things means you can create a complete lighting setup, like a mini photo studio but for your car. Pretty slick. These are rechargeable, which saves you a fortune on batteries if you're constantly wrenching on weekends. They're also killer as gifts. Keep 1 or 2 for yourself, give the others to your buddies or family who work on their own rides. Spread the love. Everybody wins. Makes a perfect Father's Day or birthday gift for the car guy in your life. Alright, here's the honest truth though. With 4 lights at this price point, they're not built like pro-grade tools you'd see in a NASCAR garage or something. They're durable enough for regular home garage use, for sure. But if you're a full-time mechanic using these 8 hours a day every single day, you might want something more heavy-duty. For weekend warriors and DIY enthusiasts though, these are absolutely perfect. Check the description box for the hookup. All 5 of these lights are legit performers with solid reviews from folks actually getting their hands dirty in real garages. Thanks for watching.